Welcome to our channel. Today we are bringing you a special dessert that will add a sweet touch to your festive celebration. We are making creamy lab-e-Shireen. This dessert is perfect for this Eid. To make this dessert, in a pan, add milk, let it cook for 10 minutes on low flame, then add sugar, mix well. Now it's time to add colored vermicelli and cook it for 15 minutes on low flame. While it's cooking in a separate bowl, add some milk and custard powder. Once combined, add this custard milk into the pan and let it cook until it thickens. After the mixture has thickened, let it cool. Once cooled, add fruit cocktail, cream, and mixed sweets. I cut the mixed sweets into smaller pieces. Mix everything well. For the final touch, garnish this lab-e-Shireen with crushed almonds. And there you have it, delicious lab-e-Shireen, perfect for Eid. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumb up and subscribe to our channel. Happy cooking!